Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legends. Today we are here in Morden in southwest London, London Borough of Merton. So without further ado, let's take off. So it's a nice sunny day here. What we're going to do is go up to the max height, do a 360-degree photo and just zip around this area. So just going to go for the max height. Oh wait, I forgot to start recording. Oh no, I forgot to start recording, but we're recording now. So yeah, we're in Morden, London Borough of Merton, like I said. Let's explore this area. So go up to max height. We're at the max height already. Let's see how long this battery lasts, because I'm using my Mini 3 battery now, and this battery is nearing its end of the charge cycles. I mean, it's not nearing its end, but that's what DJI recommends. So yeah, let's just explore Morden. So let's just go down towards south first. Let's go towards the southern area. Looks like there's a construction happening in this area, so let's just check this out. So that's towards South Wimbledon. I actually done a drone flight here like last year, but then that's when the weather got bad. As I got to that area, the weather got a bit bad, and I just flew in a cloudy day anyway. I should have flown when it was sunny. Such an industrial area. Like, we just get areas like where it's just all industrial. Same thing with like Park Row. I haven't done a drone flight there yet, but I've done a drone flight near there in Harlesden, which is Wilson Junction. So yeah, we're in this area now. We're in an industrial area. Like, it's still like still getting nice sunny footage when it's 6 o'clock in the evening. I did the same thing in northwest London, but I didn't take off because I thought it was a bit later in the day, but it's actually alright. But that was actually at 7 o'clock. But I already done a drone flight in Kilburn. I was thinking of getting off at somewhere in Harrow, but I thought let's just get off at Kilburn and get a nice drone flight. That was when I flew my last drone flight in Cheshire. I got some cinematic shots in Kilburn, and I also got cinematic shots when I just flew in New Morden. I just done a cinematic shots, and I'm going to do the same thing here. After I finish this drone flight, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get a sunny shot in this area. Look at that amazing shot. Let's follow this red car back to where I am. This drone flight's also fully solar powered, fully solar charged. I mean, it's not solar powered at the moment, but got the Northern Line train going past. That's in this area. Only thing is the sun's lower down in the sky at this time, but still got a nice sunny shot. I mean, doing drone flights in cities and suburbs and all this are one thing, but I like to do more drone flights near the coast. Like, I done one in Botany Bay last year. I'll probably go down to a beach this year and get some more shots of the beaches. Unfortunately, the gimbal just moved around. That's what you get in windy weather. You get side winds. Like, it's not windy and then suddenly a gust just appears and that pushes the drone. Get a shot of the bus. Alright, let's get a shot of the bus going down towards here. Where's that bus gone? Oh, it's probably stopped at this bus stop. Let's just explore the town centre of Morden. So this is what Morden looks like. We've got this nice building, big building over here. Still windy. Let's get an orbit shot of this. Let's get a shot of this area down here. Bit of side winds, which is kind of annoying. I get these side winds. Let's go down towards this area down here. Looks like that's where the depot is for the Northern Line. I wonder why it's called the Northern Line. It should be called the Southern Line because it's going south as well as north. And it goes to areas like Edgware, but it also comes to where it is, to where we are right now, which is Morden. Look at that. Nice building. Get orbit shot of that. Got solar panels on top of there as well. Morden Mosque, which I think that's what it is. Look at that, nice shot. Amazing. That's with also the Northern Lines in this area as well. Get a nice shot of here. All these Northern Line trains in this area. That's also stored. Oh my god, I hate the side winds there. You know what, tomorrow there's gonna be none of this wind. I mean, it's not even that strong, this wind, but it's strong enough to make the drone just move a little bit with the gimbal. Look at that amazing shot. Come back towards here. Got a train coming towards the station that goes towards London. You've got a lot of buses here. A lot of buses come at Morden. I just realised something. There's a lot of these red mites. Look at that. I think I'll record that after I start the drone flight, but there's a lot of mites and I hope it doesn't crawl in my bag, my drone bag. I just realised now, there's so many of these mites. Like, I encountered the same thing when I flew in, where did I fly in? Wood Green. There's so many of these red mites and I just realised my drone bag was in that area. I hope none of them crawled in my drone bag. I'm looking at it now and I don't see any. I think they just stay on, they're called concrete mites and they stick to concrete. They're all over the gaff, literally. We've been there, so where have we not been? Let's go down towards here. I need to record the concrete mats after this with my camera, just to show you. Probably put at the end of the drone flight. There's so many of them, I don't know how, usually only on hot days this happens. So they stick to the concrete that's been heated up by the sun. So wherever the sun's been and it's heated up the concrete, the mites usually just stick to these areas. Let's go down towards here, I'm not sure what's down here. A big roundabout in this area. I just want to see what's down there. Hear that echo? Actually no, the echo's not really prevalent. Let's go down towards this area. Something about flying in the evening with the sun, it's just different, isn't it? But I prefer when it's like up in the sky, but in the shadows I'll give it a different kind of vibe, late evening kind of vibe on a summer's day. Amazing shot, look at that. Should we change it up? Let's go towards this area. Got a different road. Look at this white car. Just get a nice shot. We've got a Lidl right over here. We're coming back towards Morden, so got to land a drone in a minute. So I've got a lot of buses here. I remember when I flew in Bexley Heath, it got cloudy. I need to do another sunny drone flight in Bexley Heath next time. Probably not next time, but some other time I'll do it. Just because this vibe gives me Bexley Heath vibe, because there was a lot of buses there as well when I flown there. Let's get a nice backwards shot. What we'll do before that annoying beeping sound starts, we'll land the drone. Just want to just get this ascending shot quickly. Right, we've got to come back now. Oh no, beeping starting now. Music to my ears, mate. Music to my ears. That beeping sound. It's probably music to your ears as well. To be honest, it's annoying for real. Follow this train, Northern Line, going towards London. It's going in the tunnel, right over here. Anyway, we're just gonna land drone now quickly. It's kind of annoying, this noise. Let's quickly land it. It's not good for this battery because this battery is very at the end of its cycle as it is, and I'm just already pushing it to its lowest level, lowest voltage. I've had this battery since I got my drone in 2023. I got this battery since I was about to emergency land for a second. Anyway, I got this battery since I got the drone in 2023, late 2023. And I remember I got the drone replaced because there was issues with the gimbal, but then I kept the battery. So yeah, it's the original battery, but then I also got a second battery now, which is the Mini 4 battery. I got a new one, start using that, and then I can just probably get another one once the Germany 3 battery reaches the end of a cycle. So anyway, that was an amazing drone flight here in Morden, in London Borough of Merton, in southwest London. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Look how many of them are there, look at that. Look at them. So many of these concrete mines. Look at that, look how many are there.